भारती, समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMA Samachar channel. From the international world, China has occupied Tibet. By the way, if Tibet goes through or is told to the audience, the dispute is home, but there is also a fact that China has been occupying Tibet for centuries. But this is not true at all. China occupied in 1959 in Tibet. India is working on two major roads near the border of China in eastern Ladakh and a border dispute with China. Country's northernmost provides connectivity in being built till second move, which is made from road. The Karakoram Pass may eventually provide an alternatively route to Divyou. India has a border dispute with China and efforts to deal with it. The country has taken Russia and the major strategic faith. In America, both countries have been met the event. Experts are watching this by updating the friendly countries on strategy of acquiring belief. How will the education of government school children in lockdown? A big question. Sanskar, all the places of worship in the country are open but less crowded. The rivers of India play an important role in the lives of the seven major rivers, along with the numerous tributaries make up the river system of India. The largest basin system of the river pour their waters into the Bay of Bengal. However, some of the rivers whose courses take them through the western part of the country and towards the east of the state of Himachal Pradesh empty into the Arabian Sea, parts of Ladakh, northern parts of the Aravalli Range and the arid parts of the Thar Desert have inland drainage. An airplane or aeroplane is powered fixed wing aircraft that is propelled forward by thrust from a jet engine, propeller or rocket engine. Airplanes come in a variety of size, shapes and wing configuration. The Wright brothers invented and flew the first airplane in 1903, recognized as the first sustained and controlled heavier than air powered flight. Ustad Bismillah Khan, often referred to by the title used Ustad, was an Indian musician credited with the popularizing the Shehnai, a subcontinental wind instrument played primarily in traditional ceremonies. Khan is credited with elevating its status and bringing it to the concert stage. Mizoram is a state in northern India with Aizawl as its capital city. The name is derived from Mizo, the name of the native inhabitants, and Ram, which means land, and thus Mizoram means land of the Mijos. Within the northeast region, it is the southernmost landlocked state, sharing borders with three of the seven states, namely Tripura, Assam and Manipur. The state also shares a 722-kilometer border with the neighboring countries of Bangladesh and Myanmar. The chickpea or chickpea is an annual legume of the family Fabaceaceae, subfamily Podiaceae. Its different types are variously known as gram. The benefits of chana: provides energy, excellent source of vegetarian proteins, keep your heart healthy. Datura is a genus of 9 species of poisonous Vespertine flowering plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. They are commonly known as the thornapples as ginseng weeds, but are also known as devil's trumps. The orange is the fruit of various citrus species in the family Rutaceae. Primarily refers to citrus sinensis, which is also called sweet orange, to distinguish it from to the relative citrus Aurantium, referred to as bitter orange. Surya Namaskar, salute to the sun or sun salutation, is a practice in yoga as exercise, incorporating a sequence of some 12 graceful linked asanas. The postures are a right blend of warm-ups and asanas. The benefits of Surya Namaskar: improves blood circulation, strengthens the heart, tones the digestive tract. Comet is an icy small solar system body that, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases, a process called outgassing. This produces a visible atmosphere or coma, and sometimes also a tail. These phenomena are due to effects of solar radiation and solar wind acting upon the nucleus of the comet. Comet nuclei range from a few hundred meters to tens of kilometers across and are composed of loose collection of ice, dust and small rocky particles. Zero is a number and the numerical digit used to represent that number in numerals. It fulfills a central role in mathematics as the additive identity of the integer's real number and many other algebraic structures. As a digit, 0 is used as a placeholder in the place value system. Vidania somnifera, commonly known as ashwagandha, Indian ginseng, poison gooseberry or winter cherry, is a plant in the Solanaceae or nightshade family. Several other species in the genus Vidania are morphologically similar. Online monthly examination is going on at Prima Lok Mission School. After 2 days, the heat increased on Sunday. Only after the weather improved, the maximum and minimum temperature increased. Supported the tide movement by sitting on knees. This event, Rose Day, Donald Duck Day. The temperature of Bihar 32 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 32 degrees Celsius. The pronunciation of 7 words: woman, women, witch, men, dengue, dengue, almond, almond, almond. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः